Hi, we are going to do 3 1/4 minus 2 3/4. And I'm going to do 3 different strategies with you. So the first strategy, let's do it with the picture first. So take a look at these aqua cakes down here. Do you see how we have 3 whole cakes? 1, 2, 3. And then we have 1/4. Well, that's our first number. And we're going to subtract 2 3/4. We're going to subtract by dyeing them white. So first take away the whole number, right? We have 3 whole cakes. Well, we're taking away 2 whole cakes. And so to select multiple ones at a time, click out here with your thumb and drag with your finger. Select 2 and subtract them by dyeing them white. And then we're going to take away 3/4. And we want to take away this one so that you can empty up this one. So 1, 2, 3. And there's our answer. So your answer is 2/4, or better yet, 1/2, because 2/4 is the same thing as 1/2. Now I want to show you how to do this with a couple other strategies because the model is really great, but it can be time consuming. One way to do this would be to try to subtract the whole numbers and then the fractions, but you're going to find that it's tricky. Whereas with this one, let me show you. With our first one up here, we were able to do just 2 minus 1 and then 3 minus 1. On here, you have a bigger numerator on the right-hand side. So this 1 is smaller than the 3. So I can't just do 3 minus 2 is 1, and then I can't do 1 minus 3. So I'm going to convert both of these into improper fractions. It's a lot easier than it sounds, especially the more you practice it. It'll start going really fast for you. I re-dyed 3 1/4 so you can see what it looks like again. When you make it an improper fraction, you're just counting how many fourths are there. So you would just count these up and you would write it over 4. But the way to do it if you don't have a picture is just to multiply 3 times 4 and then add 1. The reason that works is because if you look down there at those yellow cakes, right? How many pieces are in each one? 4. And how many do we have? 3. So we have 3 cakes with 4 pieces in each. That's why you can always multiply whatever the full whole number is times however many pieces are in each one. So 3 times 4 is 12. Then you just need to add on if there's a remainder or any extra fraction. In this case, there's 1/4 also. So 3 whole cakes is 3 times 4, which is 12. And then there's 1 more. So if you were to go through and count each one of these, you would get up to 13. You can also just do 3 times 4 plus 1. So this is 13/4. Now take that other one and let's use our fast strategy. So you have 2 wholes, and each whole has 4 pieces. So that's why you do 2 times 4. But then you also have 3/4, so then you add 3. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So this one is 11/4. Now you can subtract them, and you end up with 2/4. So that's the way to do it without the picture. Oops, sorry. That should actually be a 0. 2/4. That's the way that you can do it without the picture, and it will work every time if you convert them into improper fractions. All right, and again, when you subtract those 2 3/4 out, this is what the model looks like at the end. So our answer is 2/4, or even better, if you can write that in its simplest form, it is 1/2.